it again.
Hi guys.
You guys, guess who we have here? We have our August visitor. Mommy visits us once in a blue moon, and the moon is bright today. No, the sun is shining today. Guess what Mommy brought for me? My Adsense pin is here, and Mommy brought it all the way for me. Hey, lovelies, I apologize if it's a bit noisy. My neighbor's generator is on. And you guys, after I dropped Mommy from the last clip you saw, I slept. You guys, look at my eyes. I look swollen. I just woke up, and you won't believe what woke me up. So I've been expecting a delivery. If you're wondering why I'm just looking to this direction, I've been expecting a delivery from a dispatch company, and I always give them a certain number to call. That's my main line. I'm so sorry guys, a call came into my phone, so I had to take it. So as I was saying, I usually give them a certain number to call so that they reach me. That's my main line. But so many people that have me on WhatsApp think my WhatsApp number is my main number. I don't know why they always mix it up. So apparently the dispatch rider came and he has been calling that number. And I'm not always with that phone. I'm not always with the phone. I was even sleeping, so I didn't even hear the phone ring. Apparently it's been over 2 hours. The guy came and I didn't pick. Obviously I was sleeping. So he then called the company. Then they tried calling me. So when I woke up, I saw the missed call, and my friend also called me that they've been trying to reach me, blah blah blah. And I called the guy. You guys, you know how dispatch riders always try to claim rights when they are right. So I called and I told him that I was sorry, I didn't hear my phone ring, and like, I've been there for over 2 hours. I called you, I gave you plenty of missed call. I said, I'm sorry, please don't be angry. Are you going to come back? And he says, I will call you if I will come back. I will call you, just hold your phone, because if I call you, you don't pick. I said, sorry, I will hold my phone. As in, I was just very humble, begging the guy, please come back. I'm going to unbox for you guys. It's makeup that I ordered, so I'll just show you guys what I got. But yeah, I was telling you guys that I got my Adsense pin. You guys, I'm so happy that this came. So I watched a video on YouTube from a YouTuber called Pamela, and she was just complaining about how she hasn't gotten her pin and how they demonetize her channel. You guys, that thing got me scared. I was so scared. I reached out to Boma. I'm like, babe, what's going on? What are we going to do? And she just told me that she's not worried, that it will come and everything. So I remember when I was filling it, I just filled our family address so that if it gets there, even if I'm not there, someone in the house would just pick it up for me. And guys, that was how it happened. I used our family address and it got delivered to the house, and Mommy just brought it for me this morning. You guys saw that I went to drop Mommy, so it just came this morning. You guys, it didn't even take up to a month. Okay, let's say give or take, it took a month, and this thing got to me in a month. You guys, in a month. A lot of people don't get theirs even after 4 months, and mine came very fast. You guys, my pin is here. I'm going to sort all of this out. I'm so happy and excited that this came in time. Like, it came in time. Look at me, worried over nothing. I was just there worried, thinking about how my pin will come, and if it doesn't come, what I would do. Worrying over nothing.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Head, please reduce the volume for me. Head. You guys, Tiara is almost in all my Vlogmas videos. She just finds a way to creep in. So my package, oh yeah, go. God be precious. Bye. Bye. So my package is here, and let me just open it. When the guy came, Siri was just looking at me like, see you that stressed me. I just apologized to him, and he gave me my package. Where are you going to? Okay. The way they wrap this thing, how about?
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Okay, so I finally opened this. This one is for Bola. This is not mine. So I got the Kiss Beauty setting spray, and I got this glitters liner. I don't know, I haven't used it before. I wanted to buy the what's it called, the graphic liner, but they didn't have. So I decided to buy this glitters liner, and I'll try and create a look with it. Let me see. Oh, it's actually very pigmented. Can you guys see? It's actually very pigmented. I haven't tried it before, but I decided to give it a try. I bought another one in green. You guys, these are my go-to concealers. Precious, why are you making noise? Hey God, I apologize for that. These are my favorite concealer from Flawless Ivy, and I got them in I got them in 01, 02, and 03. Yeah. I also bought lipsticks as well as I apologize, a call came into my phone, so I had to receive the call. So this is for Bola. What's it? This is a clear lip gloss, and it's for Bola. So that's all I bought. I also bought a new brush set, but it wasn't delivered with this package. I'll get that on Friday, and you guys will most likely see it in another vlog, because I'm sure this vlog will go up before I receive that brush set. So yeah, that's all I got. See, just very small, but you guys won't believe that all these things that you're seeing here cost up to, well, with the brush set, cost up to 30,000 naira. See these tiny things that you can see here, just these tiny things. But yeah, that's all I got, and yeah, I'll catch up with you guys later.
The next day.
Gift? Yeah. Okay. Someone said I should give you this. Well, what's this? Find out. Well, what's this? Why did you look at me like that? Yes, your husband said I should give it to you. So call it bye. I'm still in shock. You guys must have seen that my sister brought this new baby to me. So let me give you guys a backstory of what happened today. In all honesty, I wasn't expecting this phone. In fact, we've spoken about it, and I was like, there's no point getting iPhone 13. I just have the iPhone 12, which you just got like last year. There's no point getting a new phone. I'm content with that one. So that was where we ended it. And this was like way back. So today, I got a call that I had a delivery from a dispatch rider. So I went downstairs, and the guy stressed me out. First of all, he was not there. Finally, Sha came. When I got downstairs, he goes, I was sent to pick up a package from you. I said, package from me? How? I did not order anything. And besides, how did you even get my number? I don't have a package I want to dispatch. And he says, then how did he not get my number that they sent him to come and pick up? I'm like, I did not order anything from you. So I had to call Dio. I'm like, babe, did you order anything? Are you expecting a package? What is going on? And he goes, yeah, someone will deliver something to me, but he doesn't understand why they did not bring it. So it was just a whole lot of confusion, and I was already irritated at that point, and I slightly raised my voice, and he was like, why are you raising your voice, blah blah blah. Cut long story short, he told me that when the delivery comes, that Precious will go and pick it up. I'm like, why? I can go and pick it up. He said no. I should not talk to him. So that was how we ended the conversation. I was just in the room lying down before I went to the sitting room, and my sister-in-law came in with this phone. You guys, see, my sister-in-law, Precious, Mr. A, they all planned this, and they got me big time. I'm so happy, I'm grateful, I'm thankful. You guys, this is a perfect Christmas gift. Apparently, according to him, it was supposed to come on Christmas Day, but it came early, and I'm happy that it is here. Your girl has a new baby, okay? I'm so happy, you guys. You can see my excitement. Look at my cheek. I'm red. I'm very red. Please comment down below. Help me thank Mr. A. Call him out. Thank him for me. I'm so happy. Like, your girl is so happy. Like, I've been smiling non-stop. And he has been forming hard guy for me. I think I'll end this video here. I've rambled a lot in this video, but you guys can see through my excitement. I'm so happy. Thank you so much, baby. God bless you. God replenish your pocket. Till next time, see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.